I wanted to wish everybody a happy Christmas, holidays, New Year, whatever it is that you celebrate at this time. Hopefully people got lots of e-bike stuff in their stockings. I want to give huge thanks to everybody out there who's supported the channel and that's taken the time to comment and contribute ideas and information. Right now I'm working on the winter setup for my Fat Boy, and I will have a video on that up over the holidays, as well as more information on the BAC855 mount that I've been developing. A few more people than I was expecting requested one, so I need to put a process in place to make it easier to accommodate that. For this video, I thought I would share a little taster of the projects that will be going on over the early part of next year. The first project of the year will be setting up the CYC X1 with ASI integration. I was going to go with the BAC800 and run things at 52 volts, but having had a taste of 72, the genie is just not going to go back in the bottle. So at the moment the bike is all stripped down as you see it here, and I'm going to be going with the X1 mounted inside the frame as I had before, but I'm going to be using the ASI BAC2000 controller located down here. The wiring is going to be a really clean cable run up to a throttle and display, which is going to be centrally located. The bike is also going to be one of the first in the world to feature the new NXT touchscreen display from Electric Race Technologies. This has been designed to have seamless integration with the ASI family of controllers. It also gives you an insane amount of information on the screen, as well as customization options. The battery I'm using is going to be a custom 72 volt pack from Lightspeed Bikes, and we're going to put as many cells as we can cram into the space of the triangle that's left. I'm going to leave some links to the NXT display in the description so people can check it out. There's a few videos over on the Electric Race Technologies channel, and that should give people a fair idea of some of the capabilities of this new display. The follow-up to this project is going to be a bit of a step up for me, and is going to make use of the excellent Quilbix frame set. This is a frame that's purpose-built for powerful e-bike motors, so you can really push the envelope in terms of power and performance. It will have, again, the NXT/ASI display and controller combination. I can't talk about the motor it's going to use right now, other than to say that it's looking like an absolute beast. It's also going to have twin front disc brakes at the front, and it's full suspension frame, so it should be a really comfortable ride. There's lots of other stuff that I've got in the pipeline, but those are the kind of two major projects that I'm going to have going on. So just to finish, Happy New Year to everybody, and thanks again for all the kind words and support. It really means a lot. Cheers. Oh, and before I forget, there's also an Egg Rider V2 to give away at 1,000 subscribers. Entry requirements and all of the stuff is in the description below.